Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to TechNation, where we explore the world of technology and its impact on our lives. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing topic of singularities, and no, we're not talking about that weird math thing. We're talking about the singularity that's been causing a stir in the tech world, the hypothetical point in time when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and becomes the dominant force on our planet. It's a tale of technology beyond our control, and it's bound to keep you on the edge of your seat. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that's equal parts fascinating and terrifying. Get ready to ponder the big questions and ponder the fate of our species as we explore the singularity on TechNation. Ah, the singularity. It's a term that's been thrown around in the tech world for years, and yet it remains shrouded in mystery for many. So, let's get one thing straight. When we talk about singularity in the context of technology, we're not talking about some sort of black hole or cosmic phenomenon. Nope. We're talking about something even cooler, or maybe scarier, depending on your perspective. In short, singularity refers to the hypothetical point in time when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence and becomes the dominant force on our planet. Think about it. Machines becoming smarter than humans? It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the thing is, the concept of singularity is not just a far-fetched idea dreamed up by science fiction writers. It's a real possibility, and one that we should take seriously. That's why exploring the concept of singularity is so important, because we need to be prepared for what could happen if and when machines become smarter than us. Some people might say that the idea of singularity is just a bunch of hype. After all, we've been hearing about the AI revolution for years now, and we're still not at the point where machines can outsmart us. But the thing is, technology is advancing at an incredible rate, and we're getting closer and closer to that hypothetical point of singularity every day. So, if we want to be ready for what's to come, we need to start exploring the concept of singularity now. We need to think about the potential risks and benefits of advanced AI and technology, and we need to start putting regulations and safeguards in place to ensure that the machines we create don't end up enslaving us. Artificial intelligence, it's the technology that's both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. On the one hand, we've all seen the movies where machines become self-aware and take over the world. But on the other hand, there's no denying that AI and advanced technology have the potential to do some truly amazing things for us humans. First of all, let's talk about the potential benefits of AI. With machines that can learn and adapt on their own, we could see massive improvements in everything from healthcare to education. Imagine doctors being able to diagnose illnesses with greater accuracy and speed, or teachers having access to personalized learning programs that can adapt to each student's individual needs. And that's just scratching the surface. With AI and advanced technology, we could also see major advancements in fields like transportation, energy, and even space exploration. Self-driving cars, renewable energy sources, and robots that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. The possibilities are truly endless. But here's the thing. All of these potential benefits of AI rely on one crucial assumption: that we can control and regulate the technology we create. And that's where singularity comes in, because if we don't have proper safeguards in place, the very machines we create to help us could end up turning against us. So, while it's important to think about the potential benefits of advanced technology and singularity, we also need to be aware of the potential risks. But hey, let's not let that stop us from dreaming big, because who knows what kind of amazing things we might be able to achieve with the help of AI and advanced technology. So let's get to work, and let's make sure that when the machines take over, they're doing it for the good of all humanity. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room when it comes to singularity, the idea that machines could become smarter than us humans. I mean, it's a pretty wild concept when you think about it. We've spent centuries thinking of ourselves as the most intelligent beings on the planet, and now we're faced with the possibility that we might not be for much longer. So, what are the ethical and moral considerations of creating super-intelligent machines? Well, for one thing, we need to think about what it means to create something that is more intelligent than ourselves. Will we be able to control and regulate such a machine? Or will it become something that we can no longer comprehend or manage? And let's not forget about the potential threat of machines taking over and enslaving humans. It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the truth is, it's a very real possibility if we're not careful. If we create machines that are more intelligent than us, we need to make sure that they have the same ethical and moral considerations that we do. But here's the thing. Just because machines might become more intelligent than us doesn't mean they'll automatically turn against us. In fact, with proper regulation and safeguards in place, we might be able to create machines that can work alongside us to make the world a better place. So, while it's important to be aware of the potential risks of singularity, we shouldn't let that stop us from exploring the concept and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Because who knows, with the right approach, we might just be able to create a world where humans and machines can coexist in harmony. But, of course, we should still be wary of our toaster. It might be plotting something while we are not watching. Alright, let's talk about the big picture here. We've talked about the potential benefits and risks of singularity, but what about the wider effects on our economy, politics, and social structures? I mean, we're talking about a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live our lives. So it's important to think about what that might look like. First of all, let's talk about the economy. With machines becoming more intelligent, we could see major changes in the workforce. Jobs that were once done by humans might be replaced by machines, leading to a shift in the job market and potentially even mass unemployment. On the other hand, with machines able to do more and work faster than humans, we could also see major improvements in productivity and efficiency. And then there's politics. With machines that are able to learn and adapt on their own, we might see major changes in the way that decisions are made. Will we be able to trust machines to make ethical and moral decisions on our behalf? And what role will humans play in this new world? And finally, there's social structures. With machines that are able to learn and adapt, we could see major changes in the way that we interact with each other. Will machines be able to understand human emotions and behaviors? Will we be able to form meaningful relationships with machines? So, what role does singularity play in shaping the future of humanity? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Singularity has the potential to transform the world in ways that we can't even imagine yet. But in order to make sure that these changes are for the better, we need to make sure that we're developing and regulating advanced technology in a responsible way. Because let's face it, singularity isn't just a technology, it's a tool that we can use to shape the future of our world. And if we're not careful, that tool could end up shaping us in ways that we might not want. So let's make sure that we're thinking about the big picture, and let's make sure that we're using singularity to create a world that's better for all of us. Well, that's a wrap on our discussion about singularity and the future of technology. We've explored the potential benefits and risks of creating machines that are more intelligent than us, and we've talked about the wider effects that singularity could have on our economy, politics, and social structures. One thing's for sure, the future is uncertain. We can't predict exactly what will happen as singularity continues to evolve and develop. But what we can do is make sure that we're approaching this technology in a responsible way. We need to be thinking about the ethical and moral considerations of creating super-intelligent machines, and we need to make sure that we're developing and regulating this technology in a way that's safe and beneficial for all of us. So, whether you're an expert in the field of technology or just someone who's curious about the future of our world, I hope that this discussion has given you some food for thought. And if you're interested in learning more about singularity and the wider world of technology, be sure to tune in to TechNation for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.